This is the reality, not just numbers on a chart, real lives lost. 10 meters long and 2 meters wide, this grave prepared for multiple burials.
This is the first time we've done this in this country, so it isn't typical, but it's been done at the request and needs of the Muslim community, who've come to us and said, we really need to be able to increase the speed at which we can bury our loved ones.
Allahu Akbar.
One prayer for 10 people. Muslims and Jews bury the dead as quickly as possible, guidance that's remained unchanged for centuries. It speeds the soul's ascent to the heavens, they say, and opens the door for those left behind to start grieving. Cemeteries have become overwhelmed. Here they've gone from 5 burials a week to 30.
This is not a mass grave. It is only to accommodate and to ensure that in 2 days they were able to dig up this grave. Whereas imagine digging 10 individual graves, it may take maybe over a week.
And this, a first for British Muslims. 10 burials, one straight after another.
This method is described as saf al-amwat. In Arabic, that means rows of deceased. Each individual is given their own funeral rites before being buried in rows. It means multiple burials can take place in a short period of time.
A most extraordinary goodbye. Social distancing means 33-year-old Ayub Akhtar's family can't be here.
I went outside and the most I could actually do was just sit there, wait 5 minutes, not be allowed anywhere and just come home. It was just difficult. Last time I saw my brother, it's been 3 weeks and he left in the ambulance, and that was the last time I saw him.
Nothing demonstrates the human cost of the coronavirus like watching 10 burials take place in the time it would normally take to do just one. But these aren't normal times, and there aren't just 10 bodies. The site for the next soft burial has already been prepared. Sadia Chand.